Hello everyone, today I will show you how to customize footer in Shopify Dawn Theme, and here is how. To begin, go to admin.shopify.com, which is the primary interface upon logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, choose the store you wish to modify, then head to Online Store to access your theme, where you will see your current theme listed, such as Dawn in our case. To tweak the footer, just click Customize. This action will direct you to the customization page where you will see standard options for web page customization. On the left side of the screen, various sections of your website are listed, including the footer. Choose the footer since that is what we are customizing. On the right side, you will find settings to adjust, such as color schemes, email sign-up forms, social media icons, and more. You can even tweak spacing or add custom CSS for a personalized touch. To make changes, select the desired option on the left and adjust settings on the right, like adding text blocks, images, or news sections. It is intuitive and user-friendly. Once satisfied with your modifications, remember to save them. And that is all there is on how to customize footer in Shopify Dawn Theme. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video.